In today's digital world, mobile optimization is no longer an option, it's a necessity. This video explores the profound impact of mobile optimization on web hosting and why it's crucial for businesses to prioritize. Get ready to unlock the secrets to success in the mobile-driven landscape. The mobile usage revolution. The world has gone mobile, with smartphones and tablets becoming our digital companions. We dive into the staggering rise in mobile internet usage, making it clear that catering to mobile users is no longer a choice, but a must. Responsive design. Responsive design is the backbone of mobile optimization. Witness how it dynamically adapts website layouts to fit any screen size or resolution. Discover how businesses can offer a seamless and consistent user experience across all devices. Boosting website speed. Slow websites repel mobile users. Explore the critical role of mobile optimization in accelerating website speed. From optimized images to streamlined code, we unveil the techniques that keep bounce rates low and user engagement high. The SEO connection. Mobile optimization is tightly linked to SEO. See how search engines favor mobile-friendly websites, impacting rankings and organic traffic. Learn how businesses can climb the search results ladder with a mobile-first approach. MobileFirst indexing. Google's MobileFirst indexing takes center stage. Understand how it changes the game by prioritizing the mobile version of websites in search results. Witness the impact on visibility and traffic for websites that aren't mobile-friendly. Elevating user experience. At its core, mobile optimization is about user experience. Explore the elements that make a mobile website exceptional: easy navigation, clear readability, and intuitive touch-friendly interactions. Discover how businesses can delight users, leading to increased satisfaction and conversions. Hosting providers' role. So how do hosting providers like us keep mobile optimization in mind? We provide the foundation for your mobile-friendly website. Learn about our hosting packages featuring SSD storage, CDN caching, and more to ensure your site is mobile optimized from the ground up. Mobile optimization isn't just a trend, it's a necessity in today's mobile-dominated world. By prioritizing responsive design, speed, SEO, and an exceptional user experience, businesses can unlock the full potential of their online presence. Join the mobile revolution. Thrive and succeed in the digital landscape. Visit UltaHost.com to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and helpful content like this.